Let me tell you the truth about the Samsung A17 5G people won't ever talk to you about. This device is the perfect device for 90% of people out there, and that's a good thing. You can get this device for $200 unlocked, brand new, and that's insane. If you like this video so far, please give me a like and subscribe. This device can not only handle talk and text like every other device out there, it has an amazing camera. It has a 50 megapixel camera outside the box, no workaround, and that's pretty good. The iPhone 17e starts out with a 24 megapixel camera, and you gotta go into the settings to change it to 48 megapixels. You actually have to go into the settings to unlock your full capability of your camera for the iPhone 17e. With the Samsung A17 5G, right outside the box, 50 megapixels. Crazy. This device doesn't look bad, nor does it sound bad at all for a $200 device. This device doesn't take the absolute best pictures, but for a $200 device, it actually does perform pretty darn well with still frame photos. The only real major problem with this device is that it's not a gaming device. You can play games like Subway Surfers and other games that don't actually cost a lot of RAM usage for a device to play and run smoothly, but I mean, if you're a gacha gamer like me, that kind of does suck. This device has expandable storage up to 2 terabytes, and that's an amazing thing to see for a very budget device. The last great thing about this device is that it has a 5000 milliamp battery, and a lot of people want that all-day battery, and you'll definitely get all-day battery with this device having that 5000 milliamp battery capacity. You can get this device for $200 brand new unlocked. It has a 50 megapixel camera that actually pulls in a lot of great quality images and video, and it has a long-lasting, long-life battery, and that's why people love this device. The truth about this device is that it's going to be pretty darn good for 90% of the people out there because it does all the things you need like talk and text, and it also has a very good battery with a great quality camera. That is the reason why people love this device, and you should give it a try. Maybe you'll love this device too. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comments section below.